Okay, so here's the banana. I've been mashing it for about a minute, so it's nice and floppy now. I can't think of another word, but I'm helping to break up the cells of the banana by mashing it. So there was one thing I forgot to mention, which is very important for the end of the experiment, is you will need some alcohol. So usually we would use isopropyl alcohol. You can use vodka if you really need to do this at home, but I would think at home right now you might be lucky enough to have some hand sanitizer, which is what I'm going to use, because it's more than 80% ethanol, which you would use at school. You would use ethanol to do this at school, and you need to make sure you put your alcohol, just a small amount, into the freezer before you start mashing your banana, because it needs to be very cold. Okay, so that's your hand sanitizer use. So the next thing we're going to do is I've got my hot water here, so I boiled some water. There's about half a cup of hot water, and I'm going to add a teaspoon of salt to this water. Oops. Okay, so I'm going to add a teaspoon, doesn't have to be exact, of salt to the water, and dissolve the salt in the hot water. This method, so the heat is going to help to break down the cells in the banana even more. The salt has an electrical charge, which is opposite to that of the DNA, so it's going to attract the DNA towards it and help to get it out of the solution. So that's the plan. So now we've got our salt mixed into our boiling water. We're going to add this to the banana mix. I'm going to give it another mix. And you're going to mix it for about 30 seconds. We might have time to do that on this video. Okay, the next thing we're going to do is add our detergent.